Working from home for long hours throughout the day can be a challenging adjustment for some. Experiencing discomfort, strain, or pain can easily lead to a lack of motivation to work. Here are some tips to help you create an ergonomic workspace from your home. Avoid the temptation to work from your sofa or bed. Lying in bed while working may indicate to your body that it's time to take a nap. Instead, find a good flat table or desk space to keep your places of comfort and relaxation separate from your workspaces. Find a comfortable seat that encourages good posture. Your chair should have solid back support and ideally lumbar support. You can also add a small pillow to support your lower back. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and not hunched, and ensure the height of your chair allows your feet to touch the floor comfortably and your legs are bent at a 90-degree angle. Adjust your monitor to your eye level and position it about 1 arm length away. Keeping the center of your computer monitor eye level ensures you don't strain your neck or eyes. If you work with a laptop, you can use a stand or even a stack of books to raise your computer to an appropriate level. Having a mouse and keyboard in this case will be necessary. Be sure to place them both on the same surface and at a height that allows you to keep your wrists straight, your upper arms close to your body, and your hands at or slightly below the levels of your elbows. Optimizing your home workspace will help you have a productive work day, and your body will thank you in the long run.